Next, C5 to T1, not really a whole bunch of nerves here. This is going to form the brachial plexus. So brachial, if you remember, think triceps brachii, biceps brachii. These are going to be the nerves that innervate the arm. Okay, so let's write these down, and then we're going to look at them on the diagram. So the first one we have is the axillary nerve. And so this is going to be motor, and it's going to be near the armpit. And so here we're talking about arm abduction, so we're moving the arm out. Next, you have the musculocutaneous nerve. And so here you're going to have your biceps brachii, your lateral form, and here we're going to be flexing, so moving the arm, decreasing the angle. Next, you have your radial nerve, which, if you remember from the bones, find your radius, the radius bone. So this is going to be kind of the opposite there, so you can flex and then you can extend. So this is going to be the triceps brachii, and you're also going to be extending in the forearm and the wrist. Look, it even goes all the way down to the thumb and some fingers. So the radial nerve is very, very long, does a whole lot. Next, you have the median nerve, and so this is going to kind of go down the middle of the forearm. So anterior forearm muscle, so here we're talking about pronation, flexion, goes down into the thumb, and this is the one that's responsible for carpal tunnel. And the last one in the brachial plexus is going to be the ulnar or ulnar nerve. And so again, if you remember where the ulna is, it's going to be a little bit easier for you to find this one. So here we're going to flex, and this is the one where it goes behind the elbow. So this is the one, if you hit it just wrong, it really hurts, you say, because it kind of goes beyond the epicondyle of the elbow. That would be the humerus. So hitting the funny bone is not funny. Okay, so on the diagram here, this is our brachial plexus. All right. So find the armpit. Here's the armpit. This is going to be the axillary nerve. So here's the deltoid. So it's going to help move the arm out this way. Abduct the arm. Next, you have the musculocutaneous nerve. And so this goes down to the biceps. So kind of find where the biceps are. So that's going to be the next one. Musculocutaneous nerve there. I'm not writing nerve. You can write nerve if you want to. All right. Now, moving on down, you kind of have to use your tracking skills. So look how this goes. This goes all the way down. And which bone is this in the forearm? That would be the radius. So this would be the radial nerve. So there's the radial nerve going down to the radius. Okay. Next, let's drop down here. And do you see how this is going through the middle of the forearm? Middle of the forearm to the middle of the wrist there. This is going to be the median nerve. And if you remember the bones, this is the ulna, pinky ulna. All right, so this is going to be the ulnar nerve. And you can see how it goes right behind that humerus. If you've ever hit that, you remember it.